Come test drive the 2016 BMW 4 Series. The BMW 4 Series is a powerful machine which comes with impressive handling, upscale interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, keyless entry, navigation system, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, ABS four-wheel, aluminum wheels, front floor mats, auto-off headlights, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.